Hi guys, today I just want to demonstrate with you what focal point is and focal length. So here I've got a thin converging lens, so that means the light running parallel into the lens all focuses down to a single point. I've also got a red laser beam and just a little piece of paper which we are going to put an image onto. So if the red laser beam, I'm just going to move it across the lens like this. And if you look, when I bring the piece of paper close, the dot on the piece of paper moves in the same direction as the dot on the lens. If I move it further back, you can see now the dot moves in the opposite direction. So when I move to the left, it moves to the right. If I move to the right, it moves to the left. Now, as I bring the piece of paper closer, eventually there's a point where it actually stops moving. I think it's around there. So you can see I'm moving the laser across the lens, but the beam of light on the piece of paper is not actually moving. Now that point there is called the focal point. And the distance between the piece of paper here and the center of the lens, that is the focal length of this lens. So if I move the beam close, if I move the piece of paper close, you can see where I move the laser forwards and backwards, the dot on the piece of paper moves in the same direction. If I move the piece of paper much further back, they move in the opposite direction. As I bring it closer and closer and closer, eventually there is a point where the beam, or the dot, on the piece of paper doesn't move. So that's the focal point, and the distance between the paper and the lens is the focal length. Okay, bye for now.